Hi everyone, it's not always easy to get all of the details and reference materials into my YouTube videos here on BuiltByPete YouTube channel. That's why I've put together BuiltByPete.net, a companion website for my YouTube channel. I wanted to create a permanent and fully searchable home for detailed descriptions and all the technical documentation that doesn't always fit easily into my videos. I've just finished a massive overhaul of the new website, including a master article index where you can find blog posts with all the high-res diagrams, parts lists, reference materials, and code that you need in just a few seconds. The site is really easy to navigate. A homepage gives you a quick summary of the latest blog posts. Then there's a full blog page laid out with every single blog article published. A simple click on the article that takes your interest will take you to the detailed post. I've organized the entire site into a number of main hubs to make your life easier, and you can see them listed in this main index area. You can also search the entire site on keywords to make things easier for you to find. Some of the main hubs include computing and Windows. This is going to be your spot for quick fix guides, everything from check disk repairs to Windows optimization scripts. Then there's home networking. This is going to be a deep dive section. It's packed with setups of things like network speed tests, router configurations, and even PoE projects. Then you've got my smart shed build. If you've been following along with that, this is the master build manifest. And of course, there's an area on wiring, especially for UK domestic wiring guides. I'm still making the videos for YouTube, of course, but the blog is where the reference material and all the detail lives that I can't easily fit into the videos. For every YouTube video that I post, you'll find a link in the video description or in the pinned comment section, linking the video to the companion blog post over here on BuiltByPete.net. And of course, it's also been optimized to work across PCs, tablets, and mobile phones. So go ahead and bookmark BuiltByPete.net today. If there's a specific diagram or guide that you want me to add to the library, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project. Take care, everybody.